and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and you can check out my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com, and there'll be a link to that website in the description box below this video. Now, today I am going to be looking at a product which is called Set Forget Traffic. Now, Set Forget Traffic is a training course which focuses on a traffic method that not many people are using, a different social media platform. Now, it's brought to you by Nella Fernandez and also Arinze Gonande. And these two guys have put together this product and this training, and I do have access to the training platform in the members area, so we will look at that a little bit later in this video. But first, what I want to do is check out the sales page and the claims that they are making for Set Forget Traffic on that sales page. Then we can have a look at the bonus page that I've put together and the 4 bonus products that I have that are available free to you if you decide to pick up this training product today, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. So let's go over, have a look at the sales page for Set Forget Traffic. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Set Forget Traffic, and the first thing that you can see is that there is a discount code, and this means you can claim $3 from the front end price of this product. Now, I will talk about the prices of the funnel when we go over and have a look at my bonus page. So let's have a look and see what this sales page says. So Set Forget Traffic, it's the underground traffic source that sends daily buyer traffic to any URL. So it's 100% free traffic. It's a method to monetize traffic in one go, a permanent source that never runs dry, easy to set up, 0 tech skills and experience required, and it's beginner friendly, and you can target 300 million monthly active users in the database. There is a video on the sales page which you can check out at your leisure. If you click through any of my buttons on my bonus page, you'll be directed directly to this sales page, so you can take a look at that yourself. So what this is you can get the product for $12.97 when you click that button below, and like I say, there is that $3 discount, so you can get this for $9.97 if you decide to take up the offer and use the discount code. So basically what they're saying is that it's a different method to drive traffic to any domain or URL, and I've had a checked out of the training, I've had a look at it, and it's very sort of in-depth, goes through a lot of method on how to do the traffic. There's a case study there, and it shows you step by step what you need to be setting up, what you need to do in order to generate the traffic, and then get people who can see your links and basically start to earn commissions from affiliate links that you've monetized your articles with. So that's how this product is set up. So let's have a look at the bonuses I have. If you decide to pick up Set Forget Traffic through my link, which was the first link in the description box below this video. So we go over and have a look at that now. So here is my bonus page for Set Forget Traffic, and basically it's the methods, traffic methods, whereby you're going to utilize this social media platform, which is Quora. Now, Quora is a place where people go to ask questions. Basically, there's a variety of different topics and ask questions on, and then anyone who's on that platform can then answer the questions. So in the way that the training will show you how you can find top questions that people want answers to that are in your particular niche. Now, it could be that you're in health niche, or it could be that you're in a relationship niche, or you might be in make money online niche. So basically, this platform, Quora, can help you to get traffic to your websites, and it shows you the different methods of how you could do that. So that is Set Forget Traffic. Now let's have a look at the funnel, and we'll have a look at the prices, how it goes through. So you've got your front end price at $9.97, which obviously is the discounted price with the $3 off. And then you've got the upsell, which is the first upsell, $37 with a downsell of $27. You've got your second upsell of $97 with a downsell of $67, and the third upsell of $197, and there isn't any downsell on that the third upsell. So you've got Set Forget Traffic, how to get eyeballs on using an unused platform with this method of traffic. Then you've got Upsell 2, which is the recurring income, done for you bonus, product demonstration, and 8 done for you campaigns. And then you've got the downsell, which is the done for you bonus, 27, and Set Forget Traffic. Upsell 2 is the reseller's rights, and Upsell 3 is the mastermind coaching calls, $197. Now, so these are the bonuses that I have. Bonus number 1 is 2 high quality traffic sources that you can use. Obviously, any particular affiliate links or websites that you have, the first thing you need to master is how to get traffic so that people actually see the links that you have and the monetized articles. So that is 2 high quality traffic sources that you can use. My second bonus is the Clickbank Mastery course. Now this is going to help you as well to understand affiliate marketing and the platform for Clickbank, and how you can actually find offers that you can use with Set Forget Traffic. So this is a complimentary bonus that I'm including here. And then my bonus number 3 is JavaScript Commission Bot. Now this product is brought to you by my mentor, John Armstrong, and I think it was released earlier in 2021. So this particular product, what it is, it's a Chrome extension that helps you to increase your followers with 2 different platforms, which is Twitter and also Instagram. So that's JavaScript Commission Bot. And then the 4th bonus that I have is 40 different lead magnets that you can use to actually boost your list when you're starting to build your buyers list. So this is the 4 bonuses I have. Now any of these red buttons on my bonus page will take you through to the sales page for Set Forget Traffic, and you will also receive any of the vendor bonuses, even if you decide to pick up Set Forget Traffic through my link. Now that link is the first link in the description box below this video. So that is my bonuses, and if you decide to pick this up, you will find that in Warrior Plus you will see a receipt like this, and the blue button at the bottom of that receipt will take you through to where you will find your bonus products. So let's have a look at the actual platform and the training that is included in this particular product, which you can grab later today for $9.97. So let's have a look at that now. So here is the platform, the members area for Set Forget Traffic, and they start off with the introduction videos. Now we have Aranze, who introduces himself and the training, and then we have Nella, who introduces himself. Now what you also have is a Facebook group within this platform, because you can then get extra support and help when you join their Facebook group. And there's also opportunities to subscribe to Nella's YouTube channel and also Arinze's YouTube channel, where you will find more videos and how-to videos on everything to do with affiliate marketing and make money online. So that is the main intro for this particular product. Now, what happens is this, in this particular program, it starts off with mindset, and mindset is quite a big thing with any business that you're going to be involved in. You need to have the right mindset, because it's a key thing to moving forward. And it doesn't matter what business that you're going to start. If you hear negative comments and negative input from your friends and family on any particular business, it could be, you know, network marketing, it could be a legitimate business, like, for example, I've even spoke to people who want to buy properties, and they've had negative comments from their family and friends saying, oh, that won't work, this won't. You need to have the right mindset to move forward in any business, and this one is the same. So if you're in affiliate marketing, make money online, you need to have the right mindset. So this training actually starts with mindset and training. Then it goes through the main training, which is the system and the system that you're going to use, which is, like I said, it's Quora. Then it's again focus on the free traffic methods, and then it will focus on how to write quicker, 150 words per minute, and that's a sort of a special extra bonus training that you can get with this platform. Then they're going to talk about Quora and how it will work to get the traffic. Then it'll take you through 3 different platforms, which is Clickbank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. So these sort of over-the-shoulder training videos take you through the 3 different platforms that affiliate marketers use. Mainly, there is more, but they mainly use these three platforms to find affiliate offers that they want to use in their particular niche. Now, there's lots and lots and lots of different niches. Like I said, I go around relationships, health, wealth. You know, there's lots of different types of affiliate offers out there. So that's the affiliate offers, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Then you've got the case study, which is part of the main training. Basically what it does is Rinzi takes you through how to set up your profile on the Quora platform. Then it takes you through how you find the questions that you can start to answer. And then after that, I think it goes through, this is step-by-step processes. These videos are quite short, so you're talking 5 to 10 minutes, so they're not really long videos that you need to watch. And you can, obviously, once you've got the platform, you can re-watch them, which I find repetition is a great thing, because then it allows you to understand exactly what it is that they're teaching here. Now, then he'll go through finding the right questions, how to search the right questions for your particular niche. Then you would be looking at answering the questions. So they give an example of how you can find the right, correct information. And it's just basically doing a little bit more research, and how then you can use that research to post your answer without actually having to write it from scratch or off the top of your head. So that is obviously a big thing, because you need to be able to answer the questions. Then they have some case studies, and they talk about how you can link monetize an article with using a blog link instead of the affiliate link, which is the raw affiliate link that you would get within JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Because if you start to make these posts and post links directly into social media platforms, you will find quite quickly that the moderators will either delete your comments, delete your posts, and often if you put too many out there spam things, then you'll find that your account will be actually closed down. So there's different ways to actually make these posts, and what Arinzi will show you in this video is how to do that without spamming the different social media platforms. So he will tell you how to do that on the Quora platform, and also how to do that on the on a Facebook post, and where you can actually use that particular post to post into groups where affiliate people who are interested in make money online, people who are looking for answers, will be directed to try and get the information that they're looking for. So that is the platform for Set Forget Traffic. So there is a lot of training included in this particular product for the front end price of $12.97, which you can grab for a discount of $9.97 throughout this launch period. I don't know what price it would be after the launch period, but that is the product as it is. And basically the only thing that I would warn people about is the social media platforms and posting to these platforms, because you have to be very careful not to do too many posts, not to spam the different groups, not to spam the platforms, because obviously you would end up with your account perhaps being closed down. But within reason, then you can sort of reach out to other different platforms, which obviously the bonuses that I have included could help you with that. So that's all I have for this particular review for Set Forget Traffic. And if you like these review videos, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video to my channel. So that's all I have today, and see you on the next video. Bye for now.